Oh my god, guys, I have managed to find a working method in 2024 on how to get free Shein gift card codes, and you're going to be able to get a $750 free Shein gift card in a matter of minutes, and this is working in 2024. I was searching this morning for hours, and I have finally discovered a working rewards website. It literally takes about 10 minutes, and you're going to be able to unlock a Shein gift card code worth $750 or whatever that is in your local currency. So this tutorial is going to show you how to do it, guys. Make sure you use a mobile phone. Make sure you have an internet connection, and you need to basically open up the internet and go to this website, www.wavyrewards.com. Very important you type it exactly like this, guys, Wavy Rewards, to go to the following reward site. Now, I found these earlier today, and this is the easiest and quickest method to get yourself a free Amazon gift card, free Shein gift card code. So you can get a code by following these tasks. These instructions. So it says receive your chosen reward easily. Click the button below to see your tasks. Make sure you're on a mobile phone. And it says choose and complete 2 of the tasks on the page that you see, and make sure you follow the instructions, and then choose and claim your desired reward. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. So you click on this claim now button, and you're going to see a list of tasks that you need to choose and complete 2 of them, making sure you follow the instructions. So you do that, guys. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to just skip forward, but basically once you complete those 2 tasks, you're going to be redirected to this website where you can choose your reward for completing those tasks. Tons of different things on here, ranging from games to gift card codes. So hit that search bar, search for Shein, and you need to find the Shein gift card codes and coupons page, and you can choose any of these codes, including a $750 gift card code from Shein. So guys, if you followed all of these instructions and fully completed 2 tasks, once you click that button, these codes will be unlocked. Obviously, I just skipped forward, but this code will be fully revealed if you completed the tasks, and that's going to provide you with a $750 balance once entered into the Shein website. And that is the easiest method to get Shein gift card codes in 2024 for completely free, guys. Go to wavyrewards.com and follow the instructions that you've seen on this page. Click the button, complete 2 of the tasks, and then go ahead and enjoy your rewards. Enjoy. See you next time, guys. Smash the like button. Peace out.